Hey guys, so today I'm going to be jailbreaking the iPad, and this also works for the iPod 4th gen, and I'm not really sure about the other generations, but video is just mainly for the 4th generations and the iPad. So first we're going to want to do is get our firmwares. So I'm going to open up Red Snow 0.9.7 B4. And that's you need this exact model, so I'll put that in the description. And I'm sorry I can't provide links. So we're gonna open up. I'm gonna do the iPad, and notice how I have two. I'll explain that in a second. If you already got the other one, which I'll explain later. So, all right. So you're gonna want to browse for the one without the C at the end, and click next. And you should just power off your iPad right now. So. Or your iPod, might as well just power it off. Alright, so I already have Cydia on here, and this is what you need the C for. The iPad with the C, the iPad 4.2 8C5 11.5C. You're going to need that one, because this is the untethered Jailbreak Monte. So if you're going to want it tethered, which is really like retarded, I don't understand why people would do that, then you can go ahead and do that. If you don't have the other firmware, because the iPad one takes like an hour to download. So I'm going to jailbreak Monte because mine's already jailbroken. So now we're going to do this. Hold down the power button and the home and power. It should off exactly at 4. I'll release the power and keep holding the home. And we're putting it into DFU mode right now, so I'm untethering it. So this will take like 5 minutes, so I'm just going to pause it. Okay, so right around now, your iPad should have the little pineapple guy running, and it should be installing the bundles, and it should say, waiting to send Jailbreak Monte files. Like I said, when you're untethering it, it takes a little while, but don't look at this progress on this, just look at your iPad, your iPhone, or your iPod's progress. So I'm just going to let that load for a second. Alright, now it should say done. Just click enter, finish, and your iPad or iPod or iPhone is going to reboot. And when it reboots, you should have Cydia, and if you already jailbroke it, this is just how to untether it pretty much. But I guess this video can teach you both ways how to jailbreak and untether it. So it's booting on right now, and slide unlock. And now you should be able to reboot and boot it with still jailbroken and not having to boot it with Red Snow. Another problem that most of you are probably going to have is when Cydia keeps crashing as soon as you open it. What you're going to do is going to want to do that whole jailbreak process again. And like if let's say you just jailbroke it for the first time, you're going to want to, after you jailbreak the first time, install Cydia, say battery percentage enabled, uncheck battery percentage and Cydia. After, like, make sure you jailbreak it. If it's already, I don't know how to explain this. If it's already jailbroken, then you're having Cydia problems. Connect your iPod, iPhone, or iPad, and do it all over again, except uncheck, install Cydia and battery, and check tethered or untethered, and then do it, and then it'll work. Trust me. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.